This is how to start a world. So first of all, press create new world and press pick one of these. I really recommend these. Easy, normal, hard, whichever. Hard is a little bit harder. Not creative if you want to do a normal Minecraft, and you don't have to name world. Now go to advanced and press show code and show display. Multiplayer, if you want, you can just do this, or if not, just go here and do this, and leave it like that. If you want to add like a hack like actions and stuff, you can over here. Now press create. So I'm doing a tutorial on, and this is a tutorial on how to do your first day. And it's pretty simple. Okay, now you spawn in. First of all, grab 3 of one of your preferred colors. So in this case, I don't see anything except 3 of red. There's a reason for this. Oh, nice! I spawned with lava, but I'm not going to include that since this is just one day. Okay, now focus. Just gather some food if you find it, but it's not important. That's more important on the second day. What you do need to do is grab some wood. We don't really need much tools. We just need to get started on one point thing, and I'll show you that right later. Okay. We got the wood. Tools card. Okay, now what you're going to do is 20 of planks. Craft that. That's what you should have, or maybe less. I don't know. Grab the crafting table and like 8 sticks. Now do this so you get a little bit more organized one. And now what you're gonna do is just place it, use it, and craft only the pickaxe. And also craft this while you're already here. Now you should probably leave it so you can go there. We're gonna need it. Okay, now try to find a place like this, or if not, just dig over here. For this one, I'm just going to dig over here. So do this. Oh, that was easy. Now grab one over here, because we're going to do this. And if you're planning on going one more, just grab one more. Now we need, to be safe, let's gather 20 cobblestone. Also grab copper if you have some. The game updated and now you can use copper as armor. That's a good first, but if you don't need it, then don't. We have other priorities. Okay, so now dig over here. I collected another, as you can see, so we can go back up. Okay, almost there. Next minute. Okay, now keep your wooden tools so you can use it in the furnace later on. Okay, now that we have that, I'm going to go over here and craft one pickaxe, one axe, or you can also do the other, and one furnace. Also later on, craft campfire. It works as a lot of stuff. Okay, now what we're going to do is find some sheep. And then you just craft it with 3 oak planks and 2 wool, and use the wool. Use the red dye or any dye that is the same color to color just in case it's different colors. I'm going to try to find some sheep, but don't worry, I have a guide on this same video for people who don't find the sheep. Okay. So just keep looking and keep looking. Okay, and while you're going, get some food. We're gonna see, and if you just manage to run out of hunger, just eat it raw, it's fine. Although in the future I recommend using the furnace, it's a lot better. Okay. Oh, let's go. We found 2 sheep. 3. Let's go. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, and let's craft this. Okay, I got my crafting table. Do like this. Okay, do this and make the bed. Okay, I got the bed, and now, so to get it a little bit faster, I'm going to show you how to make the first base. So you can just put it down there, but if not, this is for balls, people who don't find a bed, and and people who do find a bed. So make it like that so you know where it is. Now go to the nearest wood and get just some. You don't really need a lot because we're using the 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 thing we're keeping out as the floor, the walls, etc. Maybe later on you can customize it or build a real house. You can also build a hut, which is like a very little house, but this is way better and a lot safer. You can also sleep faster, especially with creepers. Okay, so that's my hole. I think it is, yeah. Okay, so now putting the crafting table. Do this. Now craft oak trapdoors. Put them there. Put one there. So we already got the place. Now dig in, and this is also for people who don't find it. Well, but I'm going to, the difference is that I'm putting a a bed, and there now craft about, let's say, 6, maybe 9 ladders. For this one, I'm going to do 9. This is on PS5, by the way, Bedrock Edition, and also for PC, all those Bedrock editions, and also applies to Java. Okay. Now dig down until all your ladder wastes. There we go. Okay. Now we are okay. So now that we got that, pick this up, and and I'm sorry, I should have included this, but we gotta get some logs. I'm gonna get about 9, but don't craft them into planks yet. So go over here. Okay. Over here. Okay. Okay, so now I got 6. Okay, we're back. Always try to memorize it. So now, see, we're already going on the wrong foot, but that's okay. We're almost there. So do this, and just carve, do this. So I'm going to tell you what the pyramids are. If you want, just speed up a little bit un- until I start talking. There we go. Okay, now put the furnace right here. You don't really have to do it, but I'm just doing this, like for example, in a sample. Now, what we're going to do is put here. If now this is a really useful way to use your wooden pickaxe and smelt some of it. You can also use this if you have a lot of trouble and don't smell any food. I have a really easy and fast route. Okay, let's see. Can I make it now? Yes. Okay, so you require 3 logs, 1 charcoal, and 3 sticks. Now put this over in the middle Now this works as your cooker and a torch. Now remember to put your respawn points. It says right over there. See respawn point set. There you go. And well, that's it. Also for people who don't have a, who couldn't find a bed, it's the same thing just without this piece. So there you go. Please remember to like and subscribe. Boom, boom.